That's weird. Same commercial on YouTube as on the TV. So I was watching the P4A, the Project for Awesome live show, but it lags way too much. Like my computer is, the audio kept playing a minute after I closed the tab, so it's lagging too much. And I have my vlog going up. Watched it for about 20 minutes, but there's too many people now. Bandwidth thing. It's like. Yeah, my computer's not that bad, neither is my internet, so. Yeah, it's currently 5:24. If you can't see that, there it is. And it is -7 degrees. And I am in shorts. This is how Alaskans do it. Yeah.
Try it again.
What?
Get out and go talk to that guy.
Why?
He's gonna get jumbo cables.
Oh, okay. Well, as soon as he gets them.
Huh?
As soon as he gets them.
So what's the truck dead? Is this battery dead?
Yeah, when I was washing it, the lights were left on.
Mm.
The 2 driving lights were on.
Oh, they were.
How does it kill it that fast, though? We've left our lights on much longer than that before. Yeah. Mm.
Station wagon. There you go.
Huh?
There you go in the station wagon.
You wanna pop the hood while I pull it?
Nice.
What? At least we got someone to help us jump, right? This kind of sucks. Ugh. Humid. Humid and cold. How do those two mix? Oh, did you see the lights flicker? What was that? You cold? I'm cold. Ah, there we go. What happened to the radio?
It kills the time.
Oh. Oh, God, it stinks. You smell that? Are we good? I think so. You know, because it's not 7, but it's the opposite. So cold. That didn't take too long. So that was jumping a car. Oh!
Hey, wait for us.
I hate these.
Mark.
Na 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 na. Ow! I just messed up my leg. Yeah.
Yes, thanks to you.
I didn't part on you yet.
Dude, let's jump. Oh.
No, but you burned this in my memory.
Psycho. Ah! There they are. It's like a leash for the kids, you know? Group hug. Hey, Daddy. Hey, I need a hug. There was no dodging that. Did you see that?
You are so tall.
Yeah. What?
Hey, my
That's
turn.
so weird.
My turn.
No, my. Oh.
Stop.
My turn.
You look like
You are so.
you little bastard.
Ha.
Yes, I am.
Ha, you suck.
I tried to hold her back.
Woo. Yeah,
He's here?
yeah,
Yes.
you should have seen, like, he was holding a purse, like, you know those leashes they have for kids? That's how it was. Looked like a nerd.
All I remember is us. Oh God. Yeah, sounds like fun.
Whee!
Hey, no playing. There's a wall right there.
Woo!
Nice cover up. Nice cover up.
And we are at IHOP. Yum. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, that might be good.
Dun 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 dun. What? I got a bag right here.
Well, good thing your hands are free.
No, I got a bag and this, and I got this in my mellow yellow. Mellow yellow. Ooh, look at all the snow.
Is that new? Yes. And it's been
Dun
there
dun
since
dun.
you left.
Yeah, you're not.
Holy shit! Why haven't they been ticketed? Not.
Ho ho ho. Okay, puppies are gonna go crazy.
You're rusting,
Get in
Steve.
here.
Go
Come on,
in,
boys.
go
In the house.
Get.
Come on. In the house.
Yeah, we don't want a frozen Zuby outside.
Probably because you just ran over his toes. Hey, douchebag, come here.
Hey, you douchebag.
Not to her.
Hey, ho, 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 ho. Take your stuff up.
No, wait.
I'm just evacuating because I just farted over there. Oh God.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus.
Jeez, Emily. What? No, it doesn't look the same. What the hell happened?
Huh?
There's something underneath the blanket. What the fuck is that? Have somebody do it.
Okay. Oh, wait. Don't go upstairs.
My freaking nipple is still in there.
Hey.
this
grab
up.
that?
Hey, take this up to Emily's room.
Oh.
Quick!
Welcome home.
Did y'all hear that?
No, nobody heard that.
Oh. No, I did not crap my
All the
pants.
stockings were together except those. Way
Is this yours?
William, your socks don't match.
Yeah, I know. You guys gonna walk in my fart? I left fart tracks right on there.
We should both make it come out.
You gonna smell it? No.
I'll fucking kill you, William.
It would be nice for me to Drew to sleep.
Okay, it's been a pretty cool day, pretty long day too. I had to wait for a lot of things today. And I'm just gonna go to sleep right now, or I'll let you guys go. It is currently about 12:20 at night, Sunday, so this is actually kind of crossing over. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a good sleep, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Night.